Check out.
Okay na ito.
Go back to your school.
Go back to your school.
Sisi, ano mo nga sa akin?
Ayan.
I-front mo nga sa akin.
Ayan na.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Listen to me and zip your mouth.
Ay.
This. Okay. I shout your name. When I shout your name, you say present.
Yes.
Okay.
I love it. Kayo nag-vlog.
Sasabel.
Sino si Sasabel?
Of course. Ikaw. Sino pa ba?
Sasabal.
Sasabel. Okay. I'm Roxanne. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You say
Present.
Present.
You said.
7-Eleven.
Yes.
7-Eleven.
Write your hands.
7-Eleven.
Okay.
Right your name.
Fokerelli. Fokerelli.
Fokerelli.
Shut down your mouth. When I say your name, you can stand up your hands and you say present.
Freestand.
Oh, very good.
Freestand.
Mari, come here.
Present!
Yan ang mami. Yan ang mami.
Madam Hera.
Present.
Louder.
Present, madam.
Louder.
Present.
Very good.
Mami, ako na.
Okay.
Freestand.
You can go, everyone. Okay.